Hey guys, today, let's learn how to fix cannot make public profile on Snapchat. So if you guys are facing issues with creating your public profiles on the Snapchat application, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to fix this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we need to do first in order for us to fix this issue is to launch the Snapchat application. Now if in the case that you cannot create your public profile, maybe you already have a public profile created. So in that case, we can actually just tap on my public profile, edit it, and use the public profile feature. But in the case that you want to go ahead and create one, just double check. You may have already created one before by accident, and you just go ahead and double check and use it already since you've already created one. In the case that you still cannot see this feature and is still not giving you the option to create one, what we need to do is double check our Snapchat applications. If we are using the latest version of Snapchat, now what this will do is gonna give us the latest features and updates on our application. And when the case that you are using an old version of Snapchat, maybe that may be the reason as to why you do not have the latest features, like the public profile on Snapchat. So make sure that you're using the latest version. If you do have an update available, go ahead and update it to the latest version, so that bugs like this would be fixed and giving you the best user experience possible. That is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like it and subscribe, and take care.